Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am back with an update for the MimiSilk Iris. You have seen that I made a video a couple months back with this device. This is a fractional laser device at home, and it has 1450 nm, so it's extremely powerful. As a master esthetician, I was really curious to see how this works. Does it meet up to its standards and its promises? Well, I have my results here after 3 months using this about 3 to 4 times a week, and I can tell you this device is very powerful. One thing that I did realize using this from the very beginning, as a master esthetician of over 20 years, I was not shy, so I went all the way up to the 3rd level. This has 3 different levels, and I was like, let me just test this out and see, because my skin has been through the ringer. I've tried every single peel, I've done multiple lasers. Anything that you can think of, I've kind of like tried on my face. So I was not really scared of this device, but this device is so powerful that my face actually went pretty red. And I'm going to show you those pictures here just to show you how incredibly powerful this is. So if you are starting out with this device, I would recommend follow the instructions and start with level 1 and slowly build your way up. Now, how they recommend to use this device is every other day. Use it for about 4 weeks and then take a break and then come back to it. So you really want to pay attention to your skin if it's getting irritated. You definitely want to wear sunscreen. You definitely want to make sure that you're not using any kind of active serum. When you use this device, you will use this without any skincare on. And of course, like I said, use sunscreen or protect your face. As a master esthetician, I always tell all of my clients, just make sure that you're always wearing sunscreen all year long, and make sure that if you are out in the sun for extended amounts of time, wear a hat, shield your face. It's really going to save you in the long run, of course. So if you didn't see my previous video, let me tell you a little bit about this device and what is the purpose of this device. So this device uses 1450 nm. That is the power source. It's a very powerful source. You can see that it's a very small concentrated window, and how this works is it has different settings for the face. So specifically, it has forehead, it has for the crow's feet, it has for the cheek area, the upper lip, and the chin. So those are all customized within this device, again with those 3 different levels. And I love that this is this small, but it has that much power. And how this works is you will just drag this along your face, and it will beep and tell you when to move to the next area. So it's very simple to use. This is very user-friendly. It beeps and lets you know when to go to the next mode. So really, you don't even have to think about it. You just kind of mindlessly move this across your face, and after a while you won't even think about it. It's just really simple and easy to use. It's less than 10 minutes, and you want to do this before you put on any of your skincare, as I mentioned. This device is intended to target any wrinkles, any fine lines. It helps to rejuvenate the skin. It helps to bring back that youthful look. It also helps to target large pores, so it helps to refine those pores and shrink those down. And then also it's just really great for any scarring. So if you have any acne scars or any kind of surface wounds or scars that have healed and you want to work on those as rejuvenating the skin cellular regrowth, this is really great for that. So that is wonderful that it has this concentrated window also for that reason, because personally, like, I have a few acne scars that I've dealt with for years and years since my 20s, and I really like that I can target that with this window. Overall, after the few months that I've used this device, I would definitely recommend this. I think it's definitely worth the investment. It's super powerful, and I have seen my skin just glowing. My sunspots have been reduced. I feel like I just have a nice, even skin tone, and my pores have definitely minimized, where I can literally see, like, after I use this 1 or 2 times, like, I notice that my pores have been refined and look a little bit smaller, which I love. And there you have it. That is my updated review after a few months of using the MimiSilk Iris. This is a 1415 nm fractional laser device at home. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Also, if I have a discount code, I will put it down in the description below. If it's not there, just leave a comment and I will make sure that I get it to you. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video, and I will see you again. Take care.